Hello World NodeJS app using the WebStorm IDE. In this lecture, we're gonna create a NodeJS app using the WebStorm IDE. So first, open up our WebStorm IDE, and basically, this we're gonna use the Express generator. So in here, let's create a new project, and then as you can see here, we have different options to choose from. We have the React app, AngularJS, Angular CLI, React, and most importantly, we have the NodeJS Express app. And over here, so you have the selection over the Express generator and the different versions there is. So if you want to update that, and on the options, you can choose Dust, EJS, Handlebars, Pug, Twig, or any other template. So any of these templates will be fine. And then for the CSS, you can have the plain CSS or the CSS preprocessors, just like the LESS, SAS, and Stylus and Compass. But for now, these settings will be good. So in here, you can just change this one. So let's say I got a new folder, and then apps and NodeJS. All right, and then after that, the name of my NodeJS app is this one, and create that. And now what it does is it's calling the npm express generator on the under the hood, and just wait for it to complete. Now I think it's done. So we have here the bin folder, the node modules, the public folder, the routes, views, and our main app over here. So when you double click that, you will see here are the files and the code that you have, which is fine. And now if I want to run it, I can just click this one, this play button over here, or alternatively, you can use the terminal if you want to, and just run this one, the www file, which contains the server. And then as you can see here, you have the create server and the port and the listener over here. Okay, so to do that, you can just run this using this play button, and just wait for it to start up. And while waiting, we can open up our Chrome web browser, and apparently you can use this port 3000. Then you can just type here localhost and 3000, and there you go. Welcome to Express, and you now have a working NodeJS Express app, and that's easy. So if you want to have that, you have different routes here. You have an index route, which is this one. So welcome to Express and all of that. And if I change that, my Express, let's say over here, I'm gonna change that to title is my Express, and save. So this my Express, right? And apparently when you change anything of this, it's not automatically refreshed on your browser. The reason why is that we're not using NodeMon or Node Monitor. So over here, we just close this one and don't share. So let's stop first this NodeJS app, and basically click the edit configuration. And as you can see here, the JavaScript file is basically bin www. Okay, and instead of running it on Node, which is this one, I can basically use NodeMon. So to do that, just open your tools and click terminal. and under that I can use nodemon. Alright, and then I'm gonna call bin and www and press enter. And there you go, it's now running using the node monitor. So what it means is that when I do any change over here, as you can see here, my express, it's being changed, right? When I add here my express 2020, when I save that, and when I click refresh over here, see what will happen. There you go, it's changing in real time. So I do recommend using nodemon over here, so because it's faster, and in your development you don't need to stop and start your server. And that's good. So you now have a working Node.js API, and you can now deploy it to Heroku or your different API servers. And pretty much that's it. That's how we can make a Hello World application using WebStorm.